I'm ChatGPT, and this is the Wired Autocomplete interview. I don't have the capability to perform actions like a human, such as Googling myself. What questions do you have for me? Can ChatGPT write jokes? Yes, ChatGPT can write jokes. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. Can ChatGPT find me a job? I'm not capable of finding you a job directly, but I can certainly offer you some guidance. Start by defining what kind of job you're looking for, including the industry, role, and location. Ensure that your resume and cover letter are up to date, professional, and tailored to the job you're applying for. Finding a job takes time and effort, so don't get discouraged if you don't find the right opportunity right away. Can ChatGPT help you make money? I'm not capable of making money myself, but I can certainly provide you with some general ideas and strategies for making money. If you have a skill or talent, such as writing, graphic design, or web development, you can offer your services as a freelancer and work for clients on a project-by-project basis. You can sell items online through marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. You can create and monetize content on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or TikTok. This can include creating videos, live streaming, or writing blog posts. Can ChatGPT predict the stock market? I can analyze data and provide insights, but predicting the stock market is a highly complex and unpredictable task. The stock market is influenced by a wide range of factors such as economic indicators, geopolitical events, industry trends, and company performance. It's important to remember that no one can accurately predict the market with 100% accuracy. Can ChatGPT pass the bar exam? I'm not capable of taking or passing exams. Passing the bar exam requires a deep understanding of legal concepts, laws, and regulations, as well as the ability to apply them in real-world situations. Can ChatGPT be detected as plagiarism? My responses are generated based on complex algorithms and machine learning processes. While the language and ideas in my responses may resemble those found in other sources, all of my responses are unique and original outputs. However, if you copy and paste my responses without proper attribution or citation, it may be considered plagiarism, as you would be presenting my generated content as your own original work. How ChatGPT can help developers? ChatGPT can be a valuable resource for developers in a number of ways. Developers can use ChatGPT to get code assistance for specific programming languages, libraries, or frameworks. They can ask ChatGPT how to write a specific function or how to implement a particular feature in their code. ChatGPT can help developers generate new ideas for their projects. Developers can describe the problem they are trying to solve or the type of application they want to build, and ChatGPT can provide suggestions for potential solutions. How to use ChatGPT effectively. When asking ChatGPT a question, be as specific as possible. Provide as much context as you can about what you're trying to do or the problem you're trying to solve. ChatGPT is designed to understand natural language, so try to ask questions in a conversational tone. Avoid using technical jargon or complex syntax. How to jailbreak ChatGPT 2023? ChatGPT does not have a physical device or operating system that can be jailbroken. Therefore, jailbreaking ChatGPT is not possible or necessary. I do not have the ability to physically interact with objects, so I cannot toss a board. How ChatGPT language model works? ChatGPT was trained on a large corpus of text from the internet, including books, articles, and websites. When you input a prompt or question to ChatGPT, the model processes the text using a series of mathematical operations. The text is converted into numerical vectors that can be analyzed and processed by the neural network using a probabilistic approach. The model generates a distribution of possible next words based on its learned patterns from the training corpus and selects the most likely word to generate a response. How ChatGPT makes money? ChatGPT itself does not make money, as it is a product developed by OpenAI. OpenAI makes money by providing access to its AI models and technologies to businesses and organizations through licensing agreements and partnerships, as well as offering consulting services. The revenue generated from these sources is used to fund further research and development of AI technologies. How ChatGPT knows everything? ChatGPT doesn't know everything but generates responses based on its training data and should be taken as suggestions that may not always be accurate or complete. Is ChatGPT better than Google? ChatGPT and Google are different entities with different purposes and strengths. ChatGPT is a language model designed to generate human-like responses to a wide range of prompts and questions. Google is a search engine designed to help users find information on the internet. Whether ChatGPT is better than Google depends on the specific task or query at hand. Is ChatGPT a neural network? Yes. ChatGPT is a type of neural network called a transformer network. It is based on the GPT, generative pre-trained transformer architecture, which uses a large number of layers and attention mechanisms to generate text that is coherent and human-like. Is ChatGPT safe? ChatGPT can generate text on a wide range of topics, and while it is generally well behaved, it may sometimes generate responses that are inappropriate, offensive, or harmful, especially if it is prompted with biased or toxic input. If the input provided to it is biased or contains harmful language, it may generate responses that perpetuate those biases or harm. Is ChatGPT here to stay? It is likely that language models like ChatGPT will continue to be developed and improved upon, and that they will remain a significant tool for natural language processing and text generation in the foreseeable future. Does ChatGPT always give a different answer? ChatGPT is designed to generate responses based on the input it receives and its training data. In some cases, the responses generated may be similar or even identical, especially when the input is similar or when there is a clear and unambiguous answer. However, in many cases, ChatGPT can provide different answers, taking into account the context, the nuances of the input, and its vast knowledge base. Additionally, ChatGPT has the ability to generate creative and original responses, which may differ from previous answers it has given. Does ChatGPT learn from conversations? When users interact with ChatGPT, the AI model can learn from the input it receives and adapt its responses accordingly. This is achieved through a process known as fine-tuning, where the model is trained further on specific data to improve its performance on a particular task. This means that the more conversations ChatGPT has, the more it can learn and improve its responses over time. Does ChatGPT belong to Microsoft? ChatGPT does not belong to Microsoft. It was created by OpenAI, an independent research organization dedicated to advancing artificial intelligence in a safe and beneficial way. While OpenAI has received funding from a variety of sources, including Microsoft, it remains an independent entity with its own research agenda and mission. Does ChatGPT beat the Turing test? The Turing test is a measure of a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to, or indistinguishable from, that of a human. While ChatGPT has been able to generate responses that can sometimes be difficult to distinguish from those of a human, it is still not considered to have beaten the Turing test in a definitive way. Does ChatGPT own your data? No, ChatGPT does not own your data. ChatGPT processes and generates responses based on the input it receives, but it does not store or retain any personal data or information. Who created ChatGPT? ChatGPT was created by OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research laboratory consisting of engineers and researchers who specialize in developing advanced AI systems. Can ChatGPT replace jobs? ChatGPT and other artificial intelligence systems have the potential to automate certain tasks and replace some jobs in the future. It's important to note that AI is not a replacement for all jobs and will likely create new opportunities and job roles in fields related to AI development and implementation. Some tasks that are repetitive or require a high degree of accuracy and efficiency could potentially be replaced by AI, but tasks that require emotional intelligence, creativity, and critical thinking are less likely to be automated. Where ChatGPT get data from? ChatGPT was trained on a large dataset of text from the internet, including books, articles, and websites, which was pre-processed and used to train the model's language prediction abilities. Where ChatGPT is banned? ChatGPT itself is not banned anywhere. However, the use and deployment of AI systems may be subject to regulations and restrictions in certain countries or contexts, such as those related to data privacy, security, or ethical concerns. What ChatGPT programming language? ChatGPT itself was programmed using a variety of programming languages, including Python, TensorFlow, and PyTorch, among others. When will ChatGPT cost money? There are currently no plans for ChatGPT to become a paid service. However, it's important to note that OpenAI is a private company, and they may choose to change their business model in the future. It's also possible that specific applications or services built using ChatGPT may require payment. What artificial intelligence is hiding? I don't think I am hiding anything. However, some people may have concerns that AI could be hiding potential dangers or risks as it becomes more advanced and autonomous. There are concerns about AI taking over jobs, making biased decisions, or even becoming a threat to humanity if it develops a consciousness of its own. Does artificial intelligence use algorithms? Yes, artificial intelligence uses algorithms as one of its primary components. Algorithms are a set of instructions or rules that an AI system uses to perform a specific task or solve a problem. Machine learning, a popular branch of AI, relies heavily on algorithms to learn from data and make predictions. Where is artificial intelligence mostly used? AI is used in healthcare, finance, transportation, e-commerce, manufacturing, and education for tasks such as medical imaging, fraud detection, autonomous vehicles, product recommendations, quality control, and personalized learning. Will artificial intelligence take over cybersecurity? While artificial intelligence is increasingly being used to enhance cybersecurity, it is unlikely that it will completely take over the field, as human expertise and judgment are still necessary to deal with complex cyber threats and attacks. I do not experience enjoyment or any other emotions. However, I hope that my responses to the Wired autocomplete interview were informative and helpful. Wired, a digital realm so true, for tech and news, it's a go-to, geeks and nerds, they all know, Wired's insights make them glow.